Hello everyone, welcome back to the English video by Frame Club. In this video, we're going to discuss about future simple tense. So, let's get started. The future simple tense is used to express actions or states that will happen in the future. This can also be used to express a promises, prediction, and desire. There are three ways to express future simple tense in English. We use will and a base verb to decide on a future action at that moment. For the example, I will call you tomorrow. We use be going to and a base verb to talk about existing future plans. For the example, I'm going to watch a movie after school. We also use be and a verb in to talk about existing future plans. For the example, I'm giving a presentation next Monday. Let's take a look at the positive form. We start with the subject, will, and then the base verb. We can also use be going to express a future action. It's almost the same as will. We start with the subject and then the be verb. For the example, I will help you with your homework. We will go to the cinema next weekend. There's no milk. I'm going to buy some. It looks like it's going to rain tomorrow. Now, let's take a look at the negative form. No matter what the subject is, we follow with will not and then the base form of the verb. It's almost the same as will. We put not after the be verb. For the example, I will not help you with your homework. They won't travel to London this year. Won't is a contraction of will not. You can say they will not or they won't. They are the same. You are not going to the party tonight. She is not going to fly until next week. Let's take a look how to form basic questions in the future simple tense. We start with will and then subject and then the base verb. If we use be going to, we start with to be and then subject and then going to and the base verb. Will you come to the party? Will he play with us? Is she going to play with us? Are they going to Bali tomorrow?